In front of me is Huawei MatePad 11.6 and today I would like to show you how you can use Keyboard Clipboard. You need to begin by selecting any text and tapping on Cut or Copy. Now, in order to paste it, you can click on this icon at the top left corner of your keyboard. Select Clipboard and click on it here. Then select Paste. To delete one of those added sentences, you can click on Delete. And to go back to your standard keyboard, click on the same icon at the top left corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!